Imagine you're a financial analyst, poring over balance sheets, trying to decipher the financial health of a multinational company. You're tasked with finding out just how much cold, hard cash a company has sitting in its coffers. Today, we're going to dive into the financial labyrinth of Paysafe, a global leader in payment solutions. But the question remains, how much cash does Paysafe have? Let's find out. Understanding Paysafe, a brief overview. Paysafe is a behemoth in the world of payments, offering a suite of services that include e-wallets, prepaid cards, and payment processing. From online gaming to e-commerce, Paysafe services are used by millions worldwide. But before we delve into their cash reserves, let's understand the factors that influence a company's cash position. Key factors influencing cash reserves. Asterisk 1. Revenue. A company with high revenue typically has more cash coming in. Paysafe's revenue streams are diverse, ranging from transaction fees to fees for issuing prepaid cards. Asterisk 2. Expenses. The more a company spends, the less cash it retains. Paysafe's expenses include operating costs, marketing, and investments in new technologies. Asterisk 3. Investments. Companies often invest their surplus cash in various assets, such as stocks, bonds, or real estate. These investments can generate additional income but can also fluctuate in value. 4. Debt. If a company has outstanding debt, it needs to allocate cash to pay interest and principal. This can significantly impact its cash reserves. Analyzing Paysafe's financial statements. To determine Paysafe's cash position, we need to examine its financial statements, primarily the balance sheet and cash flow statement. The balance sheet provides a snapshot of the company's assets, liabilities, and equity at a specific point in time. The cash flow statement shows the inflows and outflows of cash during a particular period. 1. integralbusinessconsultants.com.au. integralbusinessconsultants.com.au. 2. rsfinanceinfo.com. rsfinanceinfo.com. Breaking down the balance sheet. The balance sheet typically includes a section called Cash and Cash Equivalents. This section lists the amount of cash and highly liquid investments held by the company. By analyzing this section, we can get a rough estimate of Paysafe's cash reserves. Examining the cash flow statement. Asterisk. The cash flow statement is divided into three sections: operating activities, investing activities, and financing activities. Asterisk 1. Operating activities. This section shows the cash generated or used by the company's core business operations. A positive cash flow from operating activities indicates that the company is generating cash from its day-to-day operations. Asterisk 2. Investing activities. This section shows the cash used or generated from investments, such as buying or selling assets. 3. Financing activities. This section shows the cash used or generated from financing activities, such as issuing debt or equity. 1. Levar.ai. Levar.ai. 2. rockdelldigital.com. rockdelldigital.com. 3. www.numerade.com. www.numerade.com. Interpreting Paysafe's cash position. By analyzing Paysafe's financial statements, we can draw conclusions about its cash position. A strong cash position is generally considered a positive sign, as it provides the company with financial flexibility and the ability to weather economic downturns. Factors to consider. Asterisk. While analyzing Paysafe's cash position, it's important to consider several factors. Asterisk 1. Industry trends. The payment industry is constantly evolving, and Paysafe needs to adapt to new trends and technologies. This can impact its cash flow. Asterisk 2. Regulatory environment. Paysafe operates in a highly regulated industry. Changes in regulations can affect its business and financial performance. 3. Competitive landscape. Paysafe faces competition from other payment providers. Its ability to maintain a competitive edge will influence its cash position. Determining the exact cash reserves of a publicly traded company like Paysafe requires a deep dive into its financial statements and a consideration of various factors. While we can't provide a specific figure in this video, we can understand the key factors that influence Paysafe's cash position and the tools used to analyze it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.